Okay, so let's have a look at transitive verbs. Transitive verbs, because both the active and passive voice use them. Both of them use them. So, transitive verbs are verbs that need or use an object in the sentence. It needs an object in the sentence. Without it, it makes little sense. Makes no sense. I wrote what? I wrote a book. I wrote with a pen. I wrote, I, subject, verb, I wrote. What do you mean? I wrote a pen? I wrote with a pen, with a pencil, wrote a book, wrote a note, wrote what? So subject, verb, object. They beat the drum. Dung. Dung, dung, dung. They beat the drum. Very nice, makes sense. So here, the transitive verb, they beat. If we just say, they beat, makes no sense. They beat. Beat what? Beat what? I wrote. I sang. Okay, sang what? I drove. What? I drove what? What did you drive? So we could say the same for admire. They admired. They admire. They admired. Admired what? They cover. They cover. Cover what? What did they cover? They covered what? Damage. They damaged. They damaged. Damaged what? The drum? The guitar? The violin? What? They enjoy. They enjoyed. Enjoyed what? Enjoyed listening, enjoyed playing, enjoyed making, enjoyed carrying, enjoyed making a violin, enjoyed carrying the violin, enjoyed listening to the violin, enjoyed what? They give. They give, they gave her a present. They will give her a gift. They give. They gave. Gave what? Gave what? A present? A surprise? Chocolate? Money? Pens? What? They like. They liked. They liked. Liked what? The party? The drinks? The food? The music? The drums? What? Need. They needed. Needed what? They needed. They need more pen. They need more pens. They need more time. They need more people. Need what? Risk. They risked. Risk what? They risked themselves. They risked the house. They risked the nature. Okay? Risked what? How? And want. They want. Want what? They wanted. Wanted what? They wanted more pens. They wanted a bigger whiteboard. They wanted that camera. They wanted to see you. Wanted what? Without an object, the verb, the transitive verb, makes little sense. They beat. Beat what? They beat the drum. Ah. They damaged the drum. They liked the drum. They needed the drum. They wanted the drum. They enjoyed the drum. They gave a drum. So the better you understand how the verbs work and how they change in tenses, the better you can grasp voices. So when you begin to understand about the transitive verb and how it works, how it functions, what the transitive verb is all about, then you can appreciate and understand and create sentences in both passive and active voice easier, because both of them need an object. They beat the drum. They beat the drum. Or the drum was beaten by them. It's needed in both object. For the verb is needed in both active and passive voice. How cool is that? I taught the lesson. I taught. Taught what? Taught what? Don't know. I taught the lesson. I taught the subject. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.